Hello, good morning, students. So, today once again I am solving the day before yesterday problems. The quality of the video is not good, that's why again I shoot this video once again. Let's see some numerical students. So, Nernst equations here. In the Nernst equation, we are used for the determine the electropotentials at the non-standard conditions. So, first example is here. The button cell widely used in watches and the other devices. The following reaction take place. So a watch is there, the watch which is the following reaction take place. Watch in which whatever we are using, na sir, using na that cell, the hand watch, the wrist watch in which we are using the cell. That cell, it contain the zinc and silver oxide. Zinc which turns into zinc ion, silver oxide turns into silver atom liberate hydroxyl ions. Right, friends? So determine the free energy, how much energy consumed during this reaction and what is the electropotential of the cell. So the delta G here mentioned, the delta G reaction, the zinc reaction, zinc lost 2 electrons and the electropotential is 0.76 volt, and the silver oxide turns into silver accepting 2 electrons. Whatever the electrons are lost by zinc, the same electrons are accepted by the silver, and the electropotential is 0.34 volt. Right, friends? The solution, the given standard electropotential of zinc is mentioned, standard electropotential of silver is mentioned, and how many number of electrons are transferred from zinc to silver, 2 electrons are transferred, so n is equal to 2. So zinc at anode and silver at cathode. So that's why the reaction is the cathode minus anode, the E cell is equal to E naught cell cathode minus anode, and the silver oxide by silver and zinc by zinc ion. So 0.34 minus 0.76, the electropotential value is the 1.104 volt. Right, friends? And after getting the, we have to go to the E cell value. The E cell value have to substitute, we have to calculate the E cell value here. We are calculating the E cell value, that is the 0.14 volt. This is the E naught cell standard electropotential cell value. This standard electropotential cell value can be substituted in the free energy, that is delta G is J naught is equal to M minus NF E naught cell. N is number of electron transfer, F is Faraday charge, E is electropotential of cell. So N is 2, F is 96500, E naught is 1.104, delta G is 2.31 joules. Right, students? So calculate the potential of hydrogen electrode in contact with the solution whose pH is 10. So this is the example. Many students are asking this example, how we have to solve the pH 10 value. So first let's see here, student, the solution in given is pH 10 value is given here, right? So already we know that the pH formula, pH means the negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. This is the equation number 1. Multiply equation 1 with minus 1. On both sides we have to multiply with 1. Then we got minus pH is equal to plus log 10 log to the base 10. This is the log to the base 10 hydrogen ion concentration. So here the pH value 10, already we know that the pH value 10, so we have substitute here pH value is 10, then log 10 plus log 10, this log to the base 10, right? Move on, log to the base 10, which is move on the base of this 10. Then we got the hydrogen concentration value is log 10 to the power of minus 10. Right, students? So the Nernst equation formula. From the Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E naught cell 0.059 log product by reactant. Product is hydrogen gas, reactant is hydrogen ion. So number of electron transfer 1, so that's why I substitute 1, and the 0.059 by 2 1 log hydrogen by H plus ion. So H plus ion concentration already are measured, that is the H plus ion value is 10 to the power of minus 10. Hydrogen concentration value we are calculated 10 to the power of minus 10. So then we have to apply the formula log m raised to n, that is equal to n log m. Then we got directly we got here the log 10, right? Because log 10 value is 0, so that's why if we got the log 10 to the power of minus 10 means, right? So here the minus 10 log 10, right students? So here just you substitute here minus, students. Here substitute there is a minus 10. This is a minus 10, students. Make it minus 10. Then make correction. They have to got the value, that is the 0.592. Right students? So next example, calculate the E cell of the nickel ion is 0.25, silver ion is 0.80. Calculate the E cell, right? We have to calculate the E cell. So E cell is equal to E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. The cathode which act as a silver and the nickel act as a anode. So 0.80 minus 0.25, then we got the answer is 1.05 volt. Right students? Okay, this one more example is there here. The students asking this one, which are I mentioned in the ASM. For the cell reaction, silver converted into silver, copper and turns into copper. So what is the E cell? Find the E cell if the E naught of Ag plus Ag by Ag is X and Cu by copper and by copper is Y. The E cell is equal to E naught cell, E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. Then we got the cathode is copper, anode is silver. So the answer is Y minus X. Right students? So I hope you understood the today examples and numerical, students. If you enrolled, then ask me, students. Thank you.